Assalamualaikum doctors. Today our topic is chest X-ray. So before going to our X-ray film, we must know some basics about X-ray that might be asked in the exams, or we may also get curious about these questions. So first of all, what's X-ray? What are X-ray? X-rays are basically ionizing radiation. Now, radiation. What's radiation? Radiation is a form of energy that is transferred as particles or waves. Now, radiation can be of two types. It may be ionizing or non-ionizing. The difference between ionizing and non-ionizing radiation is that the ionizing radiation has that much energy to ionize an atom. So, the example of ionizing radiation is X-ray, or there may be gamma ray, and non-ionizing radiation includes UV ray or normal lights. Now, chest X-ray views. The standard X-ray view is PA erect chest X-ray, means posterior anterior erect chest X-ray. Now, posterior anterior is defining that the person's back is toward the X-ray tube from which the X-ray beams are released. Now, X-ray beams releasing from the X-ray tubes hit the person from the posterior side, and person's anterior side remains in close contact with an X-ray film, and there is a detector which actually takes the picture. Now, X-rays hitting the person goes through the person and hit in the detector, and here X-ray films are made, which we normally see. Reasons for performing the film in posterior anterior view is, first reason is, if we take X-ray film from anterior posterior view, our cardiac size will appear larger, which will give us a false interpretation of cardiomegaly. The second reason is that as we rotate the shoulder, it can get out of the way of X-ray beam. So, for these two reasons, posterior anterior view is regarded as an standard view. So, secondly, reasons for performing the film in erect posture. We all get more comfortable in supine position. So, no, why not in supine position? In many diseases, there may be gas accumulation or fluid accumulation within any kind of organ. In the chest X-ray, we can see this, and we can easily differentiate this two when we perform the chest X-ray in erect view. Because in erect posture, due to gravity, gases goes upward and fluid goes downward, and even we can detect the actual location of the gas or fluid. So there are other views also. First is anterior posterior view. Anterior posterior view is done in person who is too ill to stand. So, but in that case, we won't comment on cardiac size. Second is lateral chest X-ray. Lateral chest X-ray we do in case which is recommended by the physician for detection of a lesion, or for a better view of a lesion which is suspected in the posterior anterior view. So, for a better view or for describing a lesion, we can further get a lateral chest X-ray, which is not done actually. Now, CT scan can give a better interpretation. Now, the third is expiratory posterior anterior chest X-ray. Normally, our X-ray is done after full inspiration, but in this case, if we suspect that there is abnormal air accumulation, we can do expiratory posterior anterior erect chest X-ray. Example is pneumothorax or any kind of air accumulations. Now, let's talk about the images on the X-ray film. We have seen X-ray films that the different organs or bones are appearing in different color, means it's between black and white, but it may appear dark gray, off-white or bright white. But what's the reason behind this? The first thing we have to remind that the less the dense is an organ or structure, the less absorption of X-ray beam takes place. So more X-ray beam hits on the detector. As more X-ray beams hit on the detector, the darker will be the film. Then we can remember also like this, the more dense organ or substances absorb more X-ray beams, so there will be less X-ray beam hitting on the detector, and that structure will appear whiter. Now, air or gas appears black because it absorbs less X-ray beams. Fat appears dark gray, and bones appear off-white. Metals appear bright white because it is absorbing most of the X-ray beams. Radiation hazard. We all know about radiation hazard. Hazard is that X-ray beams damages our cells. Then there will be a special attention for a pregnant lady. And this is more hazardous for a pregnant lady if X-ray is done within 3 to 4 months, because in this period organogenesis of the baby takes place. If there is an emergency situation in case of which may risk the mother's life and we have to do X-ray, in that case what can we do? We have to then wait. If we can, we have to wait for 24 weeks, and after 24 weeks we may do it, or we have to give a better protection of the abdomen and pelvis side. But if possible, we must wait for the delivery of the baby. In the next video, we are going to interpret a chest X-ray.